Brian from State Line Overland here. Besides showcasing some of the great locations that I'll be camping at this year, I also wanted to start sharing some of the upgrades and things that I've learned, whether it's for the camper or products to buy that really kind of are game changers. So I'm going to start with my first one this year, and this one's called the RVLock. Unfortunately, the locks on campers are not very good, as many of you know. They are usually a key that has a number and can be easily copied or, just duplicated very simply. Also, they don't last very long, as I found out on my last trip that the inner lock on my RV broke and was just spinning in place. So figured now is a great time to upgrade. So after doing some research on the internet and looking at all the different options and watching reviews and videos, I decided to take the plunge and purchase something called RVLock, which is exactly what it is. It's a new lock and handle for my camper. The great thing about this is that it is wireless. It has a keypad, it has key locks, and it also has a remote control key fob, which we'll get into in the unveiling. The sleeve off and we open it up. It's really great packaging. It's got like a magnetic closure, and inside here it tells you about some of the system informations and some of the great things about it. And then inside here you can see the topographic map. There's details and the lock itself. So inside here we have pretty much your instructions, your stickers, all kinds of cool stuff. So we've got our RVLock plate, we got some cool stickers, instructions, and basically a QR code to look at the user manual. But everything that I read and watched online took about 15 minutes from start to finish. So hopefully that will be the same way for me. But this is the lock itself. There's two pieces. So this is the first piece. The second piece is below. And when we get outside, I will show everybody, hopefully, how easy it is and how well it works. So stay tuned for more. So the next step is to take the actual inside and outside handle out. So I'm just unscrewing everything. I'm going to pop that out, then hopefully pop everything back in and be good to go for the pairing. Okay, the lock is out, the mechanism is completely out. So you can see it's just styrofoam in there. They just cut it out. It's crazy. Anyway, next is the install. Okay, the lock is installed and works pretty good. I'm going to show you here. If I put the code in, basically once you have it installed, you just press the button here, hold it down, and put your code in. So I'm going to go ahead and put my code in to show you how easy this works. And then I press lock, and it locks. And then if I do it again and press unlock, it unlocks. So all in all, pretty easy install. I did have one issue I will share, is that when taking out the old mechanism, which is down there, the piece like this was inside the door, not allowing my new set to line up. So you don't need this piece. You just have to be careful taking it out, because this is just fiberglass and styrofoam. But all in all, really happy with it. Comes with a really cool accessory box here. I'll show you, besides some stickers and things. It's a really heavy duty key fob. There's some extra keys in here. And I'm putting some of my extra pieces. But there's a really nice key fob here that you can program as well by pressing that button there and turning it on. But like super heavy duty, like really nice quality control. So all in all, super happy. Without that little issue in the door, probably would have taken about 10 minutes tops or so. Thanks for watching.